In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs in our 2025 tutorial. Whether you're crafting a script for a podcast, a video project, or any other creative venture, adding multiple voices can bring your content to life, offering a richer and more engaging listening experience. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. This not only supports our channel, but also often comes with exclusive offers or benefits. Now, let's begin. Imagine you've already set up your text-to-speech project, and you're ready to add a dynamic multi-voice element to your work. One of the great features of ElevenLabs is the ability to integrate multiple speakers seamlessly within a single dialogue. When you're preparing your text-to-speech prompt, you'll notice an option to click Add Speaker. This is your starting point to bring in a diverse array of voices. By selecting Add Speaker, you can introduce a new voice to your generated audio. This is particularly useful if you want to create conversations or different perspectives within the same piece. Simply decide where you want the new voice to come in, and ElevenLabs makes it easy for you to diversify your auditory presentation. The next step is to change the voice to ensure it sounds like a different speaker. This can be done swiftly by choosing a different voice from ElevenLabs' voice library. This process is intuitive, as the platform provides a variety of voice options that cater to different ages, accents, and speaking styles. Tailoring your voice choice to the characters or personas within your script adds authenticity and depth to the dialogue, capturing the audience's attention and keeping them engaged. Once you've configured your speaker settings by selecting distinct voices, it's time to input your text as you usually would for a single speaker setup. No extra complexities here. Simply type your script into the platform, and each section you've designated for a different voice will be read out in the corresponding selected style. This fluid transition between voices simulates a realistic conversation or narrative flow, giving your project a professional polish. And just like that, you've created a vibrant multi-voice dialogue using ElevenLabs. By following these straightforward steps in this tutorial, you can effortlessly enhance the auditory appeal of your creative projects, adding layers and character simply through the power of sound. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to leverage the rich features of ElevenLabs to elevate your projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy creating, and see you in the next tutorial.